Here is Newcap weather.
Well, the weekend is here, and all week the weather conditions have been fantastic with lots of sunshine and warm temperatures, including today across our region. The story was the wind, and at times it gusted up to 50 kilometers at times, and that is because of a cold front that moved through our region early this morning. We reached our daytime high of 23 degrees at around 2 o'clock, and as we take a look now into this evening, there is a slight chance of thunderstorms and showers moving into the evening, and then after midnight, yes, the rain is going to start to move in with 5 to 10 millimeters of the wet stuff for tomorrow, and there is also a risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. For the Lakeland region, same sort of story there, a risk of a thunderstorm and showers into the evening, and rain tomorrow with a risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon and 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. For the Battlefords, currently very warm and hot, humid temperatures there, with a few clouds tonight, and then tomorrow under mostly cloudy skies, and then showers will move into the afternoon at times, dipping down to 19 degrees. As we take a look on the radar satellite map, you see this system rotating, and that's the system that dropped the tornadoes down in the Calgary region last night. And as it moves its way across our region, it's moving east, bringing with it cooler temperatures and lots of rain that'll be hitting our region tomorrow. As we take a look across the country now, out in the west coast in Vancouver, they're under a mix of sun and clouds with some showers tonight, and then tomorrow mostly sunny day. Edmonton right now is socked in with a lot of rain, expecting up to 20 millimeters of rain, which will continue on into tomorrow in Regina. Now as we take a look, Regina and Winnipeg under partly cloudy skies, an isolated shower potentially for the Winnipeg area, but then tomorrow mostly under sunny skies. Still out in eastern Canada, in Toronto and Quebec, partly cloudy skies and very hot humid temperatures. And then for Halifax and St. John's, they're dealing with some rain that will continue into the overnight, and then a mix of sun and cloud for tomorrow. So now let's bring it back closer to home in Fort McMurray under mostly cloudy skies with some rain in the region for today. Lac La Biche at 17, and down in Calgary, a very nice sunny day for them as they kick off Stampede Week, and very hot and sunny in Lethbridge into Saskatchewan. Now Prince Albert dealt with mostly cloudy skies and some rain, and then down in Saskatoon and Swift Current, very hot there still with lots of sunshine. I do want to mention though, Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for both the Fort McMurray and the Prince Albert areas for this evening. So as we take a look now for the 5-day forecast, the weekend's not going to look good. We're still looking at cloudy skies with a 60% chance of rain for Sunday. And then as we make our way back to work next week, mostly sunny skies, and the temperatures are warming up. So it's the weekend that we just have to deal with, and then back to summer-like temperatures for next week. We now return back to Jack with today's agriculture news.